Hello all, welcome to Tasty Buds. I'm Ramya here. Today is all about how to make brinjal curry and also known as brinjal vegetable. For that I have taken one whole brinjal over here as you can see. Turmeric, I'll be using a teaspoon of turmeric, red chilies, 2 to 3 red chilies, a bit tamarind, mustard, urud dal, jeera, chana dal, curry leaves, asafoetida, coriander leaves. So let's begin the brinjal curry, how to make. So please follow the instructions as how I am doing it. So at first I have taken the brinjal. For that I am adding a teaspoon of oil and smudging it equally by rubbing with your hands fully. Just turn it and smudge it. Once it is well coated with oil, place it onto the heat tawa or stove to burn the skin. The brinjal has been well, so here I have smudged the oil around the brinjal very finely. Now I'm going to place this onto the heated stove so that the skin get burnt well. I'm placing it. Reduce the flame. Buy a stand like this so that you can burn the brinjal and place it firmly, equally, so that it burns fully, thoroughly from top to bottom. So simmer the flame too and allow it to cook for 5 minutes into low flame. So once it is well cooked and burnt, just flip it around side by side. That also I will show you gradually. Once it is well cooked, flip it downwards and just rotate it. Gradually so that it gets burned equally all the sides. As you can see, the bottom part, I'll show you how it is burned. Likewise, it should be burned in the center portion and the top portion. So I have placed it likewise. So our brinjal is well cooked, dear friends. Please observe, please look into the brinjal, how it has got well burnt, and observe it. As you can see here, we can also differentiate between the sizes before and after. Now I am switching off the flame and placing it inside the water to get it cool. Once it is well cooled for around 40 to 50 seconds, I will be removing all these skins and placing into another vessel. So allow it to cool by dropping few drops of water onto the brinjal. So dear friends, the brinjal has been cooled down. So I am just removing all the skin on top of the brinjal and be placing it, once it is well removed, to the another plate. So just remove as how I am removing it completely. So we want only the inner portion, not the outer one which is burnt. So try to remove it completely. So friends, I have removed all the skin which was in the outer portion of this brinjal, and you can see the color of it. So this is going to give a good taste, and the upper portion also will be chopped away by removing this. So it should be in this form. So dear friends, just note down, just cut off this upper portion of this brinjal. I am just putting a mark to it and just chopping with the knife so that it get loosened well and could be smashed by hands easily. And do not discard this oil which is in the bottom part. This is very good for health and it is must and essential. So into the kadai with 3 tablespoons of oil, I am adding mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, urad dal, 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal, chana dal, curry leaves, 2 to 3 red chilies as you prefer the spice. And I am also adding a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, sprinkle with some asafoetida and allow it to golden brown the dals. The dals have been changed its color into golden brown. I'll simmer the flame because it will get roasted well. Now I'm going to add all these brinjals which is well smashed into the oil and mix it well because it should get well incorporated with the other items, and allow it to fry for a few seconds. So to this brinjal I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and finely chopped coriander. Can be used as it is because it will get well cooked in the brinjal. Flip it one by one. Once it is well roasted or fried, add the tamarind water, a few drops. So to this well cooked brinjal and tossed, I am adding tamarind water which is well smeared with few drops of water, and mix it up well to give as well a tangy flavor. You can increase and decrease the tamarind taste according as you prefer. So allow it for few seconds. So dear friends, our बैंगन की sabji or brinjal gravy is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe to my Tasty Buds channel. It has turned out very well and it has given a good flavor and as well as taste. So do not miss this recipe. Try it immediately if you have brinjal at your home, and let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to my Tasty Bud channel and share amongst your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the another episode which will be shortly viewed. Thank you.